Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to take a female body measurement. In my last video, I taught us how to take a male body measurement. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching us how to take a female body measurement. If you're starting as a fashion designer, one of the basic things that you need to know how to do is how to take accurate body measurements. I said it in my last video that one of the major causes of all this what I order versus what I got that we fashion designers are having, it all starts from taking wrong body measurement. If your measurement is wrong, your final result will definitely be wrong. No two ways about it. So you need to learn how to take accurate body measurement. If you're interested in what I just talked about, then keep watching. Watch to the end. Do not stop halfway. Let's get right into the video. So if you want to take a female body measurement, there are some things that you need to note before you start taking that measurement. One of the things that you need to note or do or tell your clients to do. One, when they are coming for their measurement appointment or when you are going to take their measurement appointment, let them know that they have to wear fitted clothes. If possible, wear a camisole or wear a singlet or anything that is just fitted. You understand? Wear fitted clothes, wear leggings. Don't wear baggy jeans when you're going to take measurements. Wear tights or a leggings or any trouser that will hug your body very well so that the person can get your accurate body measurement. As a woman, when you're going for your measurement appointment, always wear fitted bra. Always wear fitted bra for any kind of cloth you are picking, always so that the person can get your accurate bust measurement. You also need to know that if you are using a shapewear for that particular cloth you are making, if you want to use a shapewear, all these butts and hips, pads, whatever, if you want to wear it in that outfit that you're making, when you are going for the measurements, make sure you wear it there so that they will take your body measurement with that shapewear and make the cloth, the dress or the trouser or the gown with it. Wear a fitted bra. Wear fitted clothes so that you can get your accurate body measurements. But if you are taking the measurement for yourself, stand in front of a mirror while you are taking it so that you can be seeing what you are doing. Stand in front of a mirror. So that's all that we need to take a body measurement.
Okay, now to start taking a body measurement, a female body measurement, first of all, you start from the shoulder. Take the shoulder measurement, extend the tape from one edge of the shoulder to the other edge of the shoulder. There are two bones in that shoulder. From one edge of the shoulder where the bone is to the other edge. Now to take the sleeve measurement, you start from where the shoulder measurement ended, where you stopped at the shoulder measurement. That is from where you take the sleeve measurement. You tell the clients to tilt his or her hand a little. Tilt her hand a little, just like the way she's demonstrating it. Then you take the measurement from the back of the hand. Take the measurement from the back. Then depending on the length that the person wants, if the person wants a full sleeve, you extend it to the wrist. That bone, there is a bone in the wrist, extend it to that length. But if it's a short sleeve, you can either stop it at 8 or 9 depending on what the person wants. Actually, you also measure around the person's arm, then you measure around the elbow and also the wrist. For that wrist measurement, you can see that I'm taking the measurement at the finger area. The reason why I'm taking the measurement at that finger area is so that the dress can pass the person's hand very well. Because if you use the wrist measurement is usually very smaller than that finger area. So I advise you use the finger area to take the measurement so that the sleeve can pass the person's hand very well. The next measurement you take is the bust measurement. Or first of all, let's take the vertical measurement, which is the length area. First of all, the first measurement you take is the bust point. For a female dress, you take the bust point, and that is, you take the tape from the highest part of the shoulder to the middle of the person's bust, the fullest part of the person's bust. That's the bust point. Then you take the under bust measurement. Don't just stretch your tape to under the person's bust. Use it to pass, the way I'm demonstrating it, use it to pass under the person's bust. Take it to under the person's bust. That is the under bust measurement. Then from there, you now take the natural waist measurement, which is the half length. That's the one that you know as the half length. So from that half length, You can tell the person to help you to hold the tape just like I did. Then from there, you can take the hip measurement from that half length to the hip. Usually around 8 to 10 inches. If you measure from one, usually around 8 to 10 inches, no more than that. The hip is usually the fullest part of the person's lower body. That is the hip. After the hip, then you can take the full length of whatever it is you are making, whether you want a long gown or a short one or a short skirt or trouser, you take the full length. So the next one now is to measure the round body measurement, which is the bust, the waist and all that. So first of all, you take the bust measurement. To take the bust measurement, you have to make sure that the tape is straight in the person's back. Don't allow the tape to be slant. Let it be straight the way I adjusted it. Yes, that's how you take a bust measurement. And then do not allow it to be tight. If possible, tell the person to breathe in and breathe out. Tell, just like the way I told my clients now, breathe in and breathe out. If the tape is moving, that means it is too tight. But if it's not moving, that means it's okay. And it's only one of your finger that you put inside, so that, see, the measurement, don't allow it to be tight. It should be firm, but not tight. Let your measurement be firm, but not tight. Because women don't like big clothes. They are not like men that like very free clothes. There are some clothes that you just want it to be fitted. There are some that you want it to be free. The same thing with the under bust and the waist measurement. Don't let it be tight. It should just be okay, just be firm. You can put one of your finger inside for ease, so that it will not be too tight on the person. After that, you take the hip measurement, the round hip measurement. I told you the fullest part of the person's lower body, that is the hip. So you measure each round, measure the hip round, and take down that measurement. Always make sure you move your tape up and down. Do not make that mistake to just take the measurement like that and just leave it. Make sure you move your tape up and down to be sure that it's passing freely. If it's passing freely, that means the measurement is okay. If you sew that outfit, the person will be able to wear it comfortably. See the way I'm moving it up and down? If you try to move the tape like this and it does not pass, it means that the measurement is too tight. It means that measurement you have taken is too tight. And if you make that cloth like that, the person will not be able to wear it. But if you move it up and down and it passes freely, then you are good to go. The other measurement I will advise you to take, or that you are supposed to take, if you are making trouser for a person, you have to measure the person's thighs. Yes, measure the person's thighs, just like the way I'm demonstrating it. Use the tape to pass around the person's legs. You will just one of your finger, like I said. Then you take the person's knee measurement and also the person's seat. The seat is the ankle area of the person's leg.
This now we have come to the end of this video. If you follow this procedure that I just gave on this how to take a female body measurement, if you follow this procedure, trust me, you are going to, any outfit you are making is going to come out right. No two ways about it. Any outfit you are making is going to come out right. So always jot down your measurements. Always jot down your measurements so that you will not take shoulder, take sleeve length, take round sleeve, and then by the time you want to write, you have forgotten the other ones you get. So any measurement you take, always jot it down. Always have a measurement book. Have a measurement book to take down your measurements. So with this, you are good to go. You can take measurements and make your outfit and there will be no issue. Make sure the tape you use to take your measurements, that is the tape you will use all through while you're making that outfit. Do not change it, because some of this tape, they are doing wonders. So they are doing wonders. The tape you use to take your measurements, make sure you use that tape to finish that outfit. Don't change it, so that had I know will not be your story. All right guys, make sure you like this video. If you enjoyed watching it, like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment. If there's anything that I did not say or I did not talk about in this video, drop it in the comment section. We are ready to learn from even me. I want to learn. I'm still learning. So drop it in the comment section and let all of us grow together. Like my videos, share to your friends and family. Let them subscribe. Let them watch my videos. Let them learn too. All right. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.